Hello, Form 1 students. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you? Good afternoon. Today's lesson is about two words, beside and besides. These two words are confusing. They normally confuse people. They don't use them accordingly. So one almost the spelling is the same. One has S, another one doesn't have S. So let's see how and when do we use them. First of all, besides and beside are commonly confused with one another despite their different definitions. So people confuse them, students confuse them, they don't use them correctly. So now let's see how do we use besides. No, first of all we are going to begin with beside. How do we use beside? Beside is a preposition word. It tells us the location of something, where something is. Beside means also close to, next to, at the side of, or near to. Okay? Now, examples of sentences that are constructed using beside. 1. Come and sit beside me, which means near me. Come and sit near me. Beside me is the same as near or next to me, okay, or close to me. Come and sit near me. For example, I can give an example of two girls who sit together. From one girls, I can say Hamda and Rhoda. Hamda sit beside Rhoda. Hamda sits beside Rhoda. Okay, so that is another example I'm giving. Let's go to number 2. Your hat is beside the dog. The hat is something you put on your head. It is near, so which means it is near the dog. Number 3, Noura and Ahmed sit. No, not Ahmed. Noura and Hamda sit beside each other. So they sit together, they sit near each other on one desk. So that is how we use beside without S. Now we look at besides. Besides means apart from, in addition to, furthermore, or except. Here are some, depending on the context. Here are some examples. What are you studying besides English? This means somebody wants to know other lessons you are studying apart from English. Maybe you are studying French, maybe you are studying Arabic, maybe you are studying Somali. So what are you studying apart from English or besides English? Okay? Number 2. How many phones do you have besides this one? Maybe you have, I see you with one phone, then I ask you, how many other phones do you have besides this phone that you have? Let me not take you to science. Let's go to to an exercise. Fill in the blanks using beside or besides. So we are going to choose, is it beside that we have to use or besides? He sat, she sat, dash her sister. Okay, what is it? Beside or besides? Remember, beside means near to. Then besides means apart from. Okay, so what are you going to put there? Number 2. These shoes are expensive. Dash, they are too big. So what do you put? Number 3. They have got a lovely house. Dash the sea. They have got a lovely house. Dash the sea. What do you put there? Is it beside or beside? Number 4. Our school is built. Dash the river. Built dash the river. Number 5. This book is too boring. Dash, it is too long. Okay, so you have to choose the correct word to use, beside or besides. Maybe we can do the number. Which number is like a bit hard? Which number is a bit hard? We can do number 2. Number 2. These shoes are expensive. Expensive means kali. So dash, they are too big. Weight. So the correct answer is besides. Apart from being expensive, they are also big. So the correct answer for number 2 is besides. So I expect you to answer the rest of the numbers. Thank you so much.